believed in ghosts until they came face to face with one.
No, you can't steal my soul. No, I have so much time.
Good news, you can calm, sir. Come on, man, just give me a break. You can just give me a ticket.
We ran out of oxygen on the plane. Good. You ever used one of these before? I haven't.
Holy crap.
And it smells a little orangey, and I like it a lot. I really like how it tastes and smells at the same time.
Give me all of it!
Come out. Oh, it tastes like garlic and something that
sensation. This is a drove my TV.
Having courage is just the opposite. With courage, you just you win.
Have 30 more seconds to chew, and then you gotta wait 5 minutes.
You're not the only one with a lightsaber chance.
For a video. No, I didn't have to be the one to help you with this.
We're in this together, remember?
No.
How about we just act like that never happened?
Yeah.
Good.
How's it going, everyone? I'm Chance.
And I'm Chance.
And we are
CNC Productions.
Well, Chance, what's good?
2019 is a year for CNC. You'll be seeing all sorts of new content, such as films, skits, and all sorts of new videos showcasing all of our wacky adventures and crazy shenanigans we get ourselves into.
But let's not get ahead of ourselves. We want to take a moment and we want to say thank you for all the support that we've had throughout the years, whether if you're a new fan or an old fan. We look forward to taking you along and bringing you consistent, high-quality content all along the way.
And if you are new, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel with the notifications turned on and hit that bell icon so you can get notified whenever we post a new video. Then, go ahead and head on over to our Facebook page and give that a like as well for daily content and exclusive behind-the-scene looks into how we do, what we do, everything at CNC.
Well, I think that's enough rambling from us. We want to keep this video short and sweet, but to give you an idea of what to look forward to this coming year. I think that's all we have to say, so I'm Chance.
And I'm Chance.
And we'll
see you
in our next video. See ya.
Bye.